Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that might just change your life. Transforming your work-life balance to earn more while actually working less. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking about following a step-by-step blueprint for freedom in 2024, so let's get into it. In our fast-paced world, we're constantly told that the key to success is hard work and long hours. But guess what? That's not the only way to get ahead. There's another path. A smarter way to work less and earn more while enjoying the freedom and flexibility that we all deserve. And trust me, it's not just some far-off fantasy. It's totally possible. And I'm going to show you how to make it happen in 2024. Let's be real. Burnout is a huge issue right now. So many people are stuck in a rut, feeling like they're on a never-ending hamster wheel, running faster but getting nowhere. That traditional 9-to-5 grind? It's outdated. Most of us aren't built to work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, and still have energy left over for the rest of our lives. It's a recipe for burnout, and honestly, no one deserves to feel that drained and demotivated. We've been led to believe that the only way to succeed is by putting in long hours. But what if I told you that's just not true? There are actually ways to earn more while working less, and still have the time and energy to enjoy life on your own terms. It sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. It's real, it's within your reach, and I'm super excited to share this with you today. One of the biggest challenges people face is time, or more specifically, not having enough of it. We're all juggling a million things, trying to cram more into our already packed schedules, and it leaves us feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. It's a vicious cycle that's hard to break. But imagine if you could create a system that lets you work less, earn more, and still have plenty of time for the things that really matter. It might sound like a dream, but it's totally achievable. And today, I'm going to show you how. One of the smartest ways to work less and earn more is by leveraging technology. By automating those repetitive tasks that eat up your time and outsourcing jobs that just aren't worth your energy, you free yourself up to focus on the things that really move the needle. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and using the tools at your disposal to boost your productivity and efficiency. Another game changer for me has been creating passive income streams. Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds awesome, right? Well, it's not just a fantasy, it's reality. Having passive income gives you the freedom and flexibility to pursue your passions, spend time with the people you love, and live life on your own terms. It's not just about having more money, it's about reclaiming your time and energy. Effective time management is also key to working less and earning more. By prioritizing your tasks, focusing on what's most important, and cutting out distractions, you can get more done in less time. It's about building a system that works for you, so you can actually enjoy the fruits of your labor. But here's the thing. None of this matters if your mindset isn't in the right place. You see, most people think that working less and earning more is all about strategies and tactics. And while those are important, it all starts with your mindset. You have to believe that this is possible for you. You need to see the possibilities, trust in yourself, and take action toward the life you want. It's about recognizing that you have the power to create the freedom and flexibility you crave, and then taking responsibility for making it happen. One of the most powerful things I've learned is that you don't have to be stuck in a specific job or industry to earn a good income. You have the power to create multiple streams of income, diversify your portfolio, and build a life that's truly fulfilling. The best part? You're in control. You get to choose how you live your life. And let's bust a big myth while we're at it. You don't need to be an expert in one particular field to make a good living. The truth is, you can earn money in so many different ways, from so many different sources. It's about recognizing that you can learn, grow, and adapt, and then taking action toward the life you truly want. So what's the biggest takeaway from today? It's that working less and earning more isn't just a pipe dream. It's a reality that's totally within your reach. By embracing the strategies and mindset I've shared today, you can create a life that's not only fulfilling, but also full of the freedom and flexibility you deserve in 2024. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you found some value in this video. If you've got any thoughts or experiences you'd like to share, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on achieving financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one.